Welcome to today's video. We're diving into how to enable message requests on X, formerly Twitter, a feature that lets anyone send you direct messages. This is perfect for expanding your interactions and connecting with new people. Ready to open up your DMs? Let's get started. Open the X app on your Android or iPhone device to access all the platform's features and settings. Tap your profile icon or the navigation menu in the top left corner. This will lead you to your account settings. Select Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy to explore customization options. Navigate to the Privacy and Safety section, where you can control how others interact with you. Look for the Direct Messages option and tap on it. Under Allow Message Requests, choose Everyone to let anyone on the platform send you message requests. And that's it. You've now enabled message requests, opening the door to broader communication and connection opportunities. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your social media experience.